Hi friends, welcome to Quality Thought. So this is Anji, Master Trainer, Chief Placement Officer. Friends, are you looking for software training and placement? Are you from Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Andhra, Orissa? Please watch this video. So let me congratulate Mohasin. So hi Mohasin, congratulations. So Mohasin got offer letter in Janardi company as a Java full stack developer. So we Quality Thought conducted drive for Java full stack people at Janardi. In Janardi company, 5 people got selected, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So 5 people got selected. So here I have Mohasin. So Mohasin, once again congratulations.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay. Just we'll see your success journey, Mohasin.
Okay.
Okay. So first of all, you got the offer, right?
Yes, sir.
So how do you feel? How do you and your parents?
My parents, now I feel so grateful. Also, my parents are so proud of me because I give one proud moment to him, to them, to be selected as a software role in the IT sector. So my parents, my relatives, my friends, as well as me, my teachers are very proud of on me.
Okay. Very good. Let's see your success journey. So where are you from?
I am from Sholapur, which come in the Maharashtra state. First of all, I completed my up to 10 from a smaller village like Kesar Zolga.
You are from Maharashtra.
Yes, sir, I am from Maharashtra.
Maharashtra
In Maharashtra, I am in Dharasur district.
Maharashtra district. Okay, very good. So you are from Maharashtra.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then coming to your educational qualification. So what is your educational qualification?
I am a bachelor in computer application graduate.
Okay, BCA.
BCA, which I was done from a Sholapur,
Sholapur.
from Sangmeshwar College.
Okay. So what is the passed out year?
2024, it is my passed out year.
24 only.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any campus placements done?
No, sir.
Okay. So then who referred Quality Thought?
So when I come in Hyderabad, my brother-in-law relative who told about the quality thoughts, about their placement rate, about their teaching, about their guidance. So after listening those of the things, I am too much excited about the quality thoughts. Then I don't go anywhere. I directly join to the quality thoughts.
Oh, very good. Excellent. So you joined in Java full stack.
Yes, sir. I'm joining Java full stack.
And you had a demo with
Yes,
Nia
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So can you tell about Nia sir?
Okay. So whenever I attend a demo, that much time I am excited about the Java full stack. But when I'm see the teaching of the Niyaz sir, then my excited level is go this to this. And then I am directly told to my parents, my relatives, I only join in the quality thoughts. Don't see anywhere.
Okay.
Don't waste my time also and your time also. This is a number of institute in Hyderabad as well as might be in India in the future. So there is one reason to join quality thoughts because of teaching, placement and guidance.
Okay, very good. So Nia sir technical.
Yes.
So you became a technical. So by Nia sir training, very good. Then what about communication and aptitude?
Okay, the communication is taken by the Babita ma'am. The Babita ma'am is too much friendly to us. When I come here, my communication is likely at 10 or 20%. When I see now, I am becoming 18 to 90% the good communication.
Very good.
Because of the Babita ma'am. They give many like a presentation, many exam session and much more things which will be improve my communication skill as well as my confidence which will be told in front of the interviewer, in front of any person. I don't know which of them, but any person. Now I'm capable to speak in English.
Okay. So technically strong, communication strong, and
Aptitude.
aptitude also.
Aptitude also strong. Venkatesh sir also teach aptitude in a good and efficient way. There are some like steps to teach aptitude. I like that. Means they start from first to the last. If there is one topic is depend upon another topic, first they teach that topic. After that come to this topic. So this type of the scenario I like about the Venkatesh sir. That's the reason I get a good mark also in a mega in aptitude.
Okay, very good. So your technical skills are improved,
Yes.
communication improved, and aptitude also
Yeah,
improved.
also aptitude also.
Okay, let's see your drives. How many drives you attended from Quality Thought?
This is my first mega drive.
Okay.
In the first mega drive I was selected.
In the mega drive, first mega drive.
I was selected.
Okay. So mega drive. So mega drive is our internal drive only, right?
Yes, it is an internal drive. Means first you need to clear a mega drive. After clearing a mega drive, you get a chance to means your quality thoughts guidance will be share your interview to the company. After that, you have chance to take an interview in that company.
Yes.
This is the scenario of a mega drive.
Yes. Friends, in quality thought, for every course we conduct mega drive. Mega drive means whether you are ready to face interviews in the companies or not. So we need to check your skill set where you are on the subject. For that we conduct internal mega drive. If you qualify in the mega drive means yes, definitely you are ready to face interviews in any company, then definitely you can crack the interview. Even in the mega drive also we conduct the written test, even technical test, even technical interviews, and finally HR round. The HR round taken care by our placement officers only. We have dedicated placement team working for our organization. So the placement team take the profiles from the mega drive and placement team share those profiles to the company, still get the placement. So Mohasin, you clear the mega drive.
Yes, sir.
After the mega drive, so how many interviews you faced?
I faced three interview. In the last interview, I cleared
Three
my
interviews.
three interviews.
First company one.
First company one, I don't know remember company name, but in the first company one, I go for a two or third round. In HR round, I was be rejected because of my communication. After that, I improve them. In the second day, I clear a whole round. In the third company, I clear a whole round interview also, and I got a placement of offer from the third company having a name Zenadi.
Third company Generality.
Yes, sir.
So first company you don't remember. Second company Segrosoft you attended.
Sira.
Sira company. Okay. So finally Generality.
Finally, Zenadi.
Okay, very good. So finally your dream is fulfilled.
Yes, sir. My dream is totally fulfilled. Finally.
Your dream is fulfilled.
Ah.
So you are thankful to
I am thankful to the quality thoughts.
quality thoughts.
Quality thoughts.
Okay. And thankful to your trainers, placement officers.
So I am thankful for the quality thoughts, the trainer Niyaz sir, the guidance Ravi sir, and as the Prathamesh sir, which will be teach me like a brother, like a friend, as well as the Babita ma'am, the Venkatesh sir, as well as sir you also, to giving the placement offer for us, to giving the placement opportunity to us, and much more person which in the quality thoughts come to the, as well as my friends which are in the quality thoughts like Pawan, Tejas, Bharat, Santosh, as well as Pranav, and much more friends which will make here. I don't know about the language, but still they can be teach me about their languages. They can behave me like my friends. I'm not this state, but still they can make a comfort for me. So I'm thankful
So
for
you
all
don't
the
know
people.
Telugu, right? Even if you
I
don't
don't know
speak
Telugu.
anything.
I just learn Telugu,
Okay.
but in future I will be try to learn. It's my like now it is
But
my
here many
destination.
people are speaking Telugu.
But still they can be talk me like a friends.
Okay. So anyhow, your friends, junior faculties, main faculties, placement officers, and all people are helped us, to crack the job.
Yes.
Finally, you got the
Offer
job.
letter.
Okay. So apart from these faculties and all, so finally you are in this position because of your parents.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you are in this position means, of course, the first parents only.
Yes.
Okay. So now, what you want to say to your parents?
My parents.
First, tell your parents' names and what they are doing.
Assalamu alaikum. First of all, my parents' name. My father name is Menuddin Abbas Sheikh. Mother name Nazmin Sheikh. My brother name Yasin Sheikh, and my sister name, which will me totally help to live in the Hyderabad, Anjum Sheikh, and my brother-in-law Nuruddin Sheikh. Those five of the people have a major impact in my life to achieve this success. So I am very thankful about my parents, my brother-in-law also, because my parents are giving me a totally freedom. So don't ask me about anything, what you are doing, what's your role, what you are doing in the future. They only told like that. You do what you do, but only one thing you will remember: whenever you do anything, then focus and try to achieve that goal. My parents' goal is only that to be their son happy. They don't tell like that you are too much to become a too much rich, to become like a billionaires, like millionaire. They only told them that if you are happy now, then we are also happy. So thank you for my parents also.
So they do have so much trust on you.
Yeah, so
And
much
they have
trust.
given full freedom to you.
Full freedom to me.
Okay. So very good. And when will be your joining date?
My joining date is 6 January 2025.
6th January. Very good. So after first month, you will get the salary, right?
Yes, I got a salary.
Okay, so after first month salary,
Huh.
what is your plan?
What is my plan? I got a first month salary. So my plan is totally decided. I can give to the gift to all my parents, as I mentioned, like 5 or 6 peoples. First I do those other things. Secondly, I give a party to my friends because they are much excited than me. Where you come to the Solapur?
Uh,
That's
okay,
it.
so very good. So it's a great journey. So and before closing this one, just your Solapur people and Maharashtra people and your friends and
Yes.
kids and who are studying, and for your juniors in your college, for all the people, what you want to say?
So in my state, Maharashtra, in my district like Solapur, all the district in the Maharashtra, I told to the people that the Quality Thought Institute is too much good for the software roles in many fields, not for Java full stack. It is for Java full stack, Python full stack, testing, DevOps, and much more fields. In nowadays, if anyone get a job in the IT, in future there are more hikes. For this we need to first join the company. We get a first start to get this start. Join to the Quality Thoughts. If you clear a mega, as sir will be told, if I definitely get a placement offer, if you do perform well after you start your journey, then you also come in the my seat. Also told about me also.
Okay. So thank you so
Thank you
much
so
for
much, sir.
sharing your information. So friends, so if you are looking for any software training and placement, so please join in Quality Thought. Even if people are getting placed like Mohasin, it's because of students' hard work and dedication. So only join the course, it's not enough to get the job. Improving the skills is the matters. For improving the skills, the student has to put more efforts. The student has to do more practice. The student has to participate in presentations, discussions. They have to, enthusiasm to improve the skills. So like this, Mohasin, if people are able to improve the skills, then definitely you people can get the opportunity in IT sector. Okay. So thank you so much,
Thank you so
Mohasin.
much, sir.
So all the best.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations once again.
Thank you so much,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Sir, but I need to give a thank you in your language also. How to tell them in your
Thank you.
language?
తెలుగు లాంగ్వేజ్
Ah.
ధన్యవాదములు.
Ah.
Say ధన్యవాదములు.
Sorry.
ధన్యవాదములు.
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 Say ధన్యవాదములు.
धन्यवादमुलु.
Hmm.
धन्यवाद क्वालिटी थॉट्स का या लाइक ओनर, उनके गाइड, चेयरमैन, सभी को धन्यवाद मेरी तरफ से जिन्होंने मुझे इस ऑफर को ज्वाइन करने के लिए उस स्टेप तक लेकर आ गया जहाँ पर मैं प्लेसमेंट ऑफिस ज्वाइन कर सकूँ, लाइक प्लेसमेंट अब एक्सेप्ट कर सकूँ, कंपनी में ज्वाइन हो सकूँ. धन्यवादमुलु फॉर द क्वालिटी. धन्यवादमुलु क्वालिटी थॉट्स.
Quality thought. Okay. Good.
Thank you so much.